Hey there, welcome back to the First Mold channel. I'm Kyle. Last time I teased something a little mysterious. Those hidden corners inside the inserts. So, what are these tricky spots? And more importantly, how do we deal with them? Let's find out right now. Some features are just not millable. Not by CNC, not by Wire EDM. So we go full EDM for those. When we're machining complex inserts, there are always those tricky areas where milling just can't reach. And even wire cutting can't quite close the loop. Think blind corners, undercuts, angled locks. Anywhere that needs precise, sharp corners. We bring in EDM, electrical discharge machining, to finish the job with extreme precision. Take this for example. Deep U-shaped cavities, double-sided lock features, or fine R-cornered ledges. CNC can't touch it. Wire EDM can't close it. So we turn to copper electrode burning. With stable spark gaps, we run a 3-step EDM cycle. Rough cut, shaping, final finish. That gets us to a surface roughness of raw 0.2 microns or better, tight enough for high tolerance assemblies. For this project alone, we used over 1,000 sets of electrodes. To stay consistent, we created a full 3D electrode alignment system. That way, every cut matches the CAD, every time. These three methods, they don't compete, they tag team. Every insert uses a different combo based on its geometry. No fixed order, just logic. A typical flow might look like: Wire EDM defines the outline and slot ends, your boundary box. CNC handles the 3D features, surface shapes, and angled cuts. EDM wraps up the unreachable details and tight internal corners. It's a loop, outline, geometry, micro details. No overlap, full coverage. Precision molds don't just come from skill, they come from repeatable, predictable, standardized processes. When your tolerance, surface spec, and inspection workflow are locked in, you're in control. And that's exactly how we do it at First Mold. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. We've just walked through the full mold machining process, step by step. If you found it helpful, hit that follow, drop a comment, and feel free to share it around. Next episode, we're putting the pieces together, like a Lego build, but for molds. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.